Okay, pre-calc, let's go back and try another one from section A7, number 49. This is, I signed this for homework. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to scan for those little pieces that I can combine. So when I look at the front half, I don't see like any little pieces I can combine here. So that's, there's nothing to do there. So I'm just going to repeat that. Alright, so now I'm going to look at the back half. And if you notice, it has this little 3 hanging out there and the 6 hanging out over here. And those two could be combined. So let's go ahead and do this. This is a row of multiplication. So we're going to do the 3 times the 6. So we'll get 18. And then let's go ahead, remember if you have an exponent raised to an exponent, that operation would be to multiply. Okay, so now we're at the stage where we look to see if we have any common factors. So the only thing that we have common would be this binomial here. We have this on both sides. Alright, so remember, you want to go with the lowest exponent. This has a 3, this has a 2, so the 2 is the smallest. So that would make it the common factor. And that's the only common factor we have. Alright, so now we're stuck figuring out the leftovers. So let's see what happens. We start with 3 of these. We take away 2. So it leaves us with 1. You can put a little 1 here if you want, but you don't need to. Alright, this guy is also left over. Alright, there's the minus sign. The minus sign separates the front leftover with the back leftover. All of these problems will have a minus or a plus in the middle, with no exception. Okay? So don't forget. Don't ever forget to put a plus or a minus in front of the in between the leftovers. All right. Now let's take out any common factors here. So now we started with 2. We take out 2. So that's totally gone. So we're left with the 18. And the 9x squared plus 2x. All right. So there we are so far. Okay, so now there's a couple things we could do here. Just because this numerator is going to be really messy, let's just go ahead and reduce this right off the bat. So remember, you can reduce a common factor with a common binomial. Oh, I can see I have to charge the power on this. I hope it doesn't die on me. Let's see what happens. Alright, now this here, this is a FOIL. Alright, so you're going to do 6 times 27, 6x times 27x squared. Let's just see what we get for that. 42 carry the 4, 12 plus 4 is 16. Okay. So this one times this one is 162 x to the 3rd. This guy times this guy is 12x. This guy times this guy. Just doing a FOIL here, writing out all the steps. Oh, x squared. Yep, I got that. Okay, plus 2. All right. And over here, this is just a distribution, so we'll put this through. Let's just see what that's going to be. 18 times 9, 72, 160. Oh, nice. Okay, so negative 162x cubed minus 36x. all over 6x plus 1 to the 4th. Okay. All right, gang, cool. So this goes with this. I'm just going to put this in descending order. So this would be the highest. Then let's go ahead and combine this with this. So it's negative 24x. And you still got that 2 floating around all over 6x plus 1 to the 4th. Okay. And that's the answer on this one. Now, I didn't say it, but my mind does it. And I got to know. You always sort of look at this and see if it factors, and it doesn't. Because if it factors, it then might reduce. So you always want to go through those steps. All right, but that's as far as we can go. So that's the final answer. Okay, gang, I hope that helped. I'll catch you. Bye.